how to charge a battery with a TP4056. The TP4056 is a tiny module that charges 3.7 volt lithium batteries over USB. That's basically it. It has two pads on the back for the battery and a USB-C port on the front for power. There's also a red LED that comes on while it's charging and blue one that lights up when it's done. The module doesn't come with pins, so I soldered some on first. Same with the battery, I soldered two wires directly and added pins to the other end, so I could plug it in. I always use rubber like this. If you don't have it, you can use insulating tape. Then I connected the battery to the B+ and B- pads on the module, plugged in USB, and the red LED came on immediately. It charged up and switched to blue a while later. The other two pads are for measuring the voltage. The whole thing is about the size of a fingernail and costs almost nothing. If you're building anything battery powered, this is probably the easiest way to add charging without designing your own circuit. I've got a few notes on this on my site, link is in the description, and if you are using it to build something interesting, please share it on our Discord. Link is below in the description. Bye!